How to set up Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. First, place your glasses in the charging case and make sure the lid turns solid white. That means it's charging. Step 2. Download the MetaView app on your iPhone or Android. Step 3. Turn on the glasses by long pressing the button until you see a blinking blue light. That means it's ready to pair. Step 4. Open the MetaView app and follow the on-screen steps to connect via Bluetooth. You'll confirm pairing on your phone. Step 5. Allow access to your camera, mic, and location. This lets you capture photos, videos, and even take calls. Step 6. Try it out, say "Hey Meta, take a photo," or press the side button to record video, control music, and more. And that's it!